Hello everyone, my name is Diego Fernando Restrepo Yepes. I am studying industrial engineering. This is the course strategic management. This is the case Facebook concept map. Facebook is an American company based in California, founded by Mark Zuckerberg. This is the most used social network in the world. I continue. This is one problem in the company. Poor retain of staff by the company. What is the objective? Staff retain should be a strategic priority generated by lack of trust among employees, lack of commitment to engage projects, low feeling of belonging. Uh, what is it? This is the capacity with which a company has to retain the human resource essential for fulfillment of its objectives. Decrease in strategy recourse caused by dissatisfied employee different personal projects, better job opportunities. What can of the company achieve having a stable human talent over time helps companies to tackle long-term projects with a greater guarantees of success. General bites, labor diffusion, communication deficits, professional stagnation, operational disorder generated by instability, lower environment. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.